Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. Uh, this is my CSAT formula PDF friends. I'm an electrical engineer and I prepared for GATE engineering services examinations, and also I'm in prepared for UPSC and all other competitive exams, state PCS exams, and I've also written few bank exams as well. I couldn't able to qualify any bank exam because there are 100 questions in it and there are only 60 minutes. So that's why after writing one bank PO exam, I've left that examination because I felt that okay, it's not my cup of tea. So let's prepare for PSS and all these things. Uh, I got into Vizag Steel Plant first, and then now I am into power sector now. And since 2018, I've been preparing for UPSC and all these things. So I'm telling all this background because I'm a math student friends, and also I've written many competitive exams. I've taken coaching from MadeEasy. It is the best platform for engineering careers and GATE. And in that also they have given classes of aptitude. And later I've prepared for UPSC from Next IS as well. The same institution of MadeEasy, it has open coaching for IS, right? So there I've taken CSAT classes and also online. In from the Next IS I've taken online classes in the COVID time because that time there was no offline classes, right? Later, I felt that okay, I had to take some offline institute, and then I have joined Vishnu IAS Academy in Hyderabad. And there also, Vishnu IAS Academy, they have provided CSAT classes, and by using all those notes, I've compiled this PDF using the compiled notes of CSAT Formulae. So you can see here, guys, there are 21 PDFs. Okay, I've made all the compilations of the formulas here. You can check here. But my sincere request is that please refer this PDF, and we have basic knowledge about aptitude, reasoning, and all these things. Okay, this should not be a sole source. Okay, friends. So I have, I have given this PDF in the Telegram, my Telegram channel. You can check there. I have given the links as well. Okay, friends, I'm very happy to share this PDF because I've written UPSC 4 times, but didn't qualify in BS paper all the 4 times. I know how it feels when you don't qualify prelims after preparing for so long. There are many friends of mine who have got 100 marks, 90 marks in GS, but they have secured very less marks in paper. Sometimes there are few people who got 60 marks, 61, 63 marks in CSAT paper. So I really feel the pain of not qualifying prelims. That's why I'm sharing this video in my Telegram channel without any uh, money or something else. So I don't want all those things. Uh, that's why I'm sharing this in the public platform. You can use it anywhere. You can share to your friends. You can do anything you want. This video, I'm not taking any credit for this because this is the knowledge which sirs have given to me. Yes, I paid for them, and yes, my efforts. I put all my efforts in writing all these things. But this is this is for myself. I've written it for myself, and I'm sharing this so that there are many aspirants who would not qualify the CSAT paper and they'll be waiting for one long year. Genuine friends, you can qualify in mains, you can go to interview, you can crack UPSC, but because of CSAT paper, they are losing their future and career. That's why I'm trying to share this video to all. I know there are not many friends in my Telegram channel, and also there are only 240 subscribers. And yes, this PDF may reach only to 500 people or at least 1,000 people, or else I don't know. But even if it helps for one student also, that good deed, that karma will help me in qualifying in GS paper. That's what I feel. Your blessings will be on me. Right? So this is not charity, friends. This is just knowledge sharing. I'm not feeling proud for this. Okay. But my only sincere request is that you should have the minimum knowledge about aptitude, reasoning, and concept. And then only this PDF will be helpful. This should not be a sole source. You should not read this PDF from the scratch. Okay, if you don't know anything about CSAT and aptitude, you please go to your basics. You take any coaching institutes notes, or you watch any videos on YouTube. Then you come to this video. Okay, friend. This is the last minute revision notes. This will be helpful in revising the formula. That's it. Okay. If you know basics, you will feel this very much helpful. You will understand it. You will remember it for long time. So thank you, friends. Please share this content. Please share this video to all your friends and family. And if you like the content, you please comment, like, subscribe to this channel, and also please share this video to your friends and family. And I need all your blessings, friends. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And all the best for your prelims. Thank you. Let's meet in the next videos, next upcoming series of videos. Thank you.